This is Abdullah Kashmul, class CIS 148, programming using Java, and this is week 11 assignment. And this assignment we learned how to use the imports, and this is the driver class where I imported all the other packages that we created. We have 3 programs, and each one of us made a program. And what I did is we shared the project itself, so I have all the project here on the computer, and what I did is I went to the libraries and add project, and then I select the projects that the others created, and after importing them to the libraries, I can import them like importing the scanner library or anything else like that, and then I can call them in the class, in the main or any other classes. This is just to show the different classes that are being run, and the only thing I needed to change is in the word counter. He has a file path, and I had a path in the vowel counter, so I needed to make the path for the file I have here on the computer rather than on the other computer, and that could have been avoided probably if we both created a class that gets the path, but that might create some other problem, so it was easier to do it like that. This is my test file where it has some words in it, and let's go back to the driver class, and it's supposed to run the palindrome first, word counter, then vowel counter. So run it, and let's try word and this entered string is palindrome, and for the word counter project, the total word count is 76. For the vowels, it's going to be 104. Let's make a change by adding more words, I think, to see if it works. Save, and let's run it again. Now let's enter something that is not palindrome. The string is not palindrome. Word counter, it added more words, and it added more vowels, so it's working correctly.